video, I will show you how to reverse engineer Android apps. Tools we need are: before installing any software, make sure that you install Java JRE and Android SDK. Now we install Android Studio. This main tool we are using in this tutorial. Before installing that, make sure that you install JRE and Android SDK. Now open Android Studio installer and install it. So now we are installing Android Studio, APK Studio. So APK Studio was not now installed successfully. Now let's extract text to jar. Go to text to jar, right click on text to jar and hit on enter extract files and extract all files. Now text to jar was successfully extracted. Now we decode our Android app which we want to modify. Open Android APK Studio, click on File, open APK and open and select app which you want to modify and open. Next setting as I mentioned in the video and hit on decode. It takes some time to decode the Android app. Now our Android app was successfully decoded. Here is a manifesto file of that Android app. You can see that the Android app was decoded successfully and you are able to see folders such as assets, original, trace and smally. In resources folder you are able to see many images. These images are nothing but icons or any other images inside our game. You can edit this image, modify our Android game. Let's go to the raw folder. This folder contains all the musics inside the Android app. You can replace this music with other to change the music in the game. These are the values. You can change them all. For example, you can change strings in the game. Let's go to the string and click on app name. Here you can rename the Android app. Now let's rename that Android app to City Ninja. You can also change other strings in the game, but I don't want to edit them all. You can edit that all. Now save our project. Click on this icon to save. So now I am editing this game. Mobile games, 2 more Hacker Stream game. Now let's go to the Smally folder. This folder contains Java code of Android which was converted to Smally. The Java code was first converted to text and then it is converted to Smally by APK tool. You can also edit these files from the folder created here, which is in my case project. You can find all the files that you can view in APK Studio here. Now let's edit an image in a game. I am using paint.net to edit these files. You may use simple paint to edit that files. So now let's edit. So our editing is now completed. Now we compile our Android app. To do that, click on hammer icon in APK Studio. If your build was successful, you can see the modified app project.apk here. Now let's convert our text files in our Android app to Java codes. This is the real code of game. Go to text to jar, lib, not lib. Go to the text to jar, hit Windows plus R key to get run and enter CMD and hit enter. Now let's change our path. To do that, enter, hit CD desktop. So now our directory is changed to desktop. Now I will change it to desk to jar. To do that, type cd desk to jar 2.0, again cd desk to jar 2.0. Now I am successfully changed the path of console to desk to jar folder, parent folder. Now I will run desk to jar. To do that, type t2j desk to jar .bat and hit enter. Now copy and paste Android app to the parent directory of desk to jar. Now enter command as dex t2j dex to jar .bat ctjump.apk and hit enter. Now if you get message similar to this means that you are successfully converted text file into jar. This you will find in parent directory of dex2jar. So this is our converted jar file. Now open Luten, which is a Java decompiler. Go to file, select open file and select the citizen.jar file. So now we successfully decompiled Dex code to Java code. This is Java code of our game. Some part of game may be lost during decompiling of Dex files. Now we sign our edited APK file with APK Signer app. Without signing Android app, you can't install it in your Android device. So to do that, install Zip Signer from Play Store. Now our Zip Signer app was installed successfully. Then go to the file manager and copy your modified APK file from your computer to your Android device. Click on your modified Android app and go to details. Copy the location of your Android app. Now open Zip Signer. Paste your path of your modified Android app here in input file and rename output file as signproject.apk and hit on sign the file. Now you can see you get message similar to that you signed file successfully. Now you can install a modified Android app. So let's install it. So the Android app was installed successfully. Here is my game. Please subscribe our channel for more.